If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button right there. Yes, right there. So you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. We got another toy package, Set Films and Play Kids. They're the makers of Slime Bath, Gelli Baff, and Jelly Snow. So you guys guessed it, this is another giveaway for one of our awesome fans. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see how you can enter. On this video, we're going to be doing all three products. You add this powder into water and it becomes jelly. So this jelly bath makes bath time really fun. Okay, I'm going to pour this stuff out. It comes in 4 different colors: green, blue, red, and hot pink. I got blue, my favorite color. It's non-staining and it's made in the UK. So this stuff is 100% safe on the skin. We've been stirring for a while and all it got is to this. So we're gonna add one more package and see what happens. It's actually really heavy. Oh! Hey guys, I have some surprises. I see a shark or a whale. Oh, that's a shark. What do you want to say? Oh, I just got one. Oh, they're all covered in slime. A lobster. Do you wanna see the texture of this? So jiggly wiggly. You hear that frizzle? It's actually glue. Like glue. Okay, so let's melt all this stuff. In order to melt this, all you have to do is add the secret ingredient, white powder. If this doesn't melt, then you have to add more salt. Now we're gonna do the slime one, and it comes in 3 different colors: blue, green, and purple. And we have purple! Let's make some ooey gooey slime. Packet number 2. Packet number 3. Packet number 4. It's really slimy, look. I wish you guys can touch this. It's super slimy. A snowball fight back.
With Pierce's daddy.
Us.
Arr.
Arr.
You against me. I gotta take you to school.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
I'll take you to old school.
Old school? Calling daddy old? Are you calling daddy old? Choose us.
Ah! So these are from Visibly Kids, and this is a giveaway. They come from England?
All the way to United States of America, folks.
So now we're gonna open the Snowball Battle Packet.
And where can you find this item, Pierce?
In Toys R Us, in Five Below, and Home Goods,
And lastly,
and Cracker Barrel. Oh no,
it's instruction pack.
it's gonna get really messy.
And here's a slime thing that he was talking about. Look at the goo down the hair. Basically, when you read this thing, you mix one of these packets to 3 of these waters.
No, you put it in the
500
bowl.
mLs times 3, which is 1500,
Woo.
or 1.5 ml-ish. They suggest that you make it into a golf ball to a tennis ball size.
I'll pour the powder.
Pierce is gonna help us pour the water onto it. And we're gonna do it slowly so that we don't add too much water and too little water. And they suggest using our
Hands.
pour, 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 pour. Pierce, 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 pour, 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 pour. It's surprising that they need 3 bottles of this to 1 little packet. Imagine all the snowballs you guys can make. It's fluffy. It's like the clouds in your hand.
So this is our second
Let me have your hand. Let me kind of rinse it out. Put it inside. They are biodegradable, which means you can leave it out and it just kind of goes with the environment. No harmful chemicals. Kind on skin. So it's kind of like lotion therapy for your hand, like mommy does it, right?
Right.
And it's environmentally safe.
Oh my goodness, I'm just massaging this
Because
thing.
we're in the 20th century after all, and we have to be eco-conscious. Save our planet, people. Just save it. So they suggest 3 bottles. Here comes the 3rd bottle.
Oh no.
Here we go. Mushy, smushy. Pierce, you know what's colder than cold?
No.
Ice cold.
Okay, let's see if this is big.
Oh.
Oh my.
Let's go with some jelly fun. Alright, we're gonna take this outside where the fun battle begins. And where the daddy attacks our little boy. Let me make a ginormous one just for you with Pierce's name on it. I got 2 rounds of ammo. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready for some summer fun?
Bring it on!
Watch out, bombs away! I missed! No!
So the rules for this giveaway: make sure you get your parents' permission to participate in this giveaway. You must be subscribed, like, and comment which one is your favorite product. Good luck, everyone! If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Pierce's World! Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and check out my Pinterest page. Boop. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!